Want to know how to get smoother, brighter, and more even skin without going under the knife? Well, then stick around because today we're going to discuss how microneedling works. We'll cover everything from what it is and how it's done to its benefits, who should avoid it, at home versus professional treatments, and much, much more. This video is going to take a deep dive into one of the most popular non-invasive, non-surgical skin rejuvenation procedures available today. So let's get started. All right, first up, what exactly is microneedling? Well, microneedling, also known as collagen induction therapy, uses tiny needles that penetrate the skin, creating micro-injuries. The depth of penetration can vary depending on the device used and the targeted skin condition being treated, ranging from superficial treatments that target the epidermis to deeper treatments that reach the dermis. So how does it work? Well, when the skin is punctured, your body responds by trying to heal the micro-injuries. This stimulates the healing cascade, which causes your body to produce more collagen and elastin, two important components of healthy skin. The result is thicker, firmer, smoother skin over time. What are the benefits? Well, microneedling has a long list of benefits. Here are just a few of the top ones. First, it can reduce wrinkles and fine lines. By stimulating the production of collagen and elastin, microneedling can improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by making the skin look fuller and smoother. Second, it can improve acne scars and dark spots. Acne scars and dark spots are caused by damage to the skin tissue. Microneedling can help to improve the appearance of these scars by stimulating the production of new collagen and by resurfacing the skin. Third, it reduces large pores. Large pores are caused by a breakdown in the proteins that support the skin structure. Microneedling can help to improve the appearance of large pores by tightening the skin and filling in the pores. Now, in addition to these benefits, microneedling also improves skin tone and texture and improves the absorption of skincare products. So now that you know a little bit about how it works and the benefits of microneedling, let's go into how the procedure is actually done. Well, the procedure typically takes between 30 and 60 minutes. Numbing cream is usually applied to the skin before the procedure to minimize any discomfort. And yes, there's a slight discomfort associated with it, kind of like a light prickling sensation, but it shouldn't be too uncomfortable. After the treatment, the skin may be red or tight and may peel for 1 to 3 days. The skin will continue to heal, and you'll begin to notice results over the course of several weeks. Who should avoid it? Well, microneedling is generally safe for most people, but there are a few exceptions. People with active acne, eczema, or psoriasis, as well as those with a history of skin infections or open wounds, should avoid microneedling. Additionally, people who don't have good healing response should also avoid this procedure. All right, next up, let's talk at home versus professional microneedling. There are many devices on the market that allow you to perform microneedling at home. While at-home microneedling can be safer than professional microneedling, it's unlikely to be as effective as professional microneedling. Professional microneedling devices can penetrate the skin more deeply, reaching the dermal layer where collagen and elastin are produced. At-home devices typically cannot reach this depth. Additionally, professionals have the knowledge and experience necessary to determine the best settings to use when performing microneedling. Without this knowledge, it can be easy to damage the skin. All right, next up, let's talk about how many sessions are needed. Most people will need between 3 and 6 treatments, spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart, to achieve the desired results. Once you've completed the initial series of treatments, you may need to schedule additional appointments to maintain your results. The number of maintenance sessions required will vary depending on a number of factors, including age, skin type, and lifestyle. Are there any side effects? Well, as with any medical procedure, there are potential side effects associated with microneedling. These can include temporary redness, dryness, irritation, and there's also a small risk of infection if the procedure is not performed properly. That's why it's important to see a qualified and experienced provider for your microneedling treatments. Additionally, It's important to avoid sun exposure after treatment, as this can worsen irritation and potentially increase the risk of infection. Always wear sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher even on cloudy days. Okay, so now that you know how microneedling works and the potential benefits and risks, let's talk about some final thoughts. Is it worth it? Well, the answer to this question is subjective and depends on your individual circumstances. However, microneedling is generally considered to be worth it for many people because it can produce significant improvements in the appearance of the skin without the need for surgery. If you're considering microneedling, it's important to understand that it's not an instant fix. It can take several weeks to months to see the full benefits of the treatment. Additionally, multiple sessions are usually required to achieve the desired results. However, if you're consistent with your treatment plan and follow the recommendations of your provider, you're likely to be happy with your results. Who should do it? Well, microneedling is a versatile treatment that can be beneficial for people of all skin types and ages. However, it's especially beneficial for people who are looking to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, acne scars, and other types of scarring. Additionally, microneedling can be helpful for those who want to improve their skin tone and texture. And lastly, what are the alternatives? Well, there are a number of alternative treatments available to treat similar skin concerns. These include chemical peels, laser resurfacing, and dermabrasion. However, microneedling is a newer, more effective, and less invasive treatment option. Hopefully this video has answered the question, how does microneedling work? Remember, while microneedling can be a highly effective treatment option, it's important to be patient and consistent with your treatment plan. With the right mindset, you can achieve amazing results. If you're considering microneedling, it's important to find a qualified and experienced provider to perform the treatment. Be sure to ask about their experience and training, as well as the number of treatments you can expect to receive. It's also important to discuss your medical history and current skincare regimen with your provider to ensure that microneedling is right for you. Overall, microneedling is a great treatment option for improving the appearance of the skin. When performed correctly by a qualified provider, it can produce amazing results. Just remember to be patient and consistent with your treatment plan, and always protect your skin from the sun. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button below. Share this video with your friends and family and leave a comment below. Let me know what questions you have. I love answering each and every one of them. I've got lots more videos on facial rejuvenation and anti-aging that I know you'll love. So make sure you subscribe. Stay healthy, stay safe, and as always, I'll see you in my next video.